Here's Hayden. Hi everybody, my name is Alexis and I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful updo on the gorgeous wig from Amore in the style Hayden. Now our first step is going to be to separate the fringe. Here I have it parted on the side, so part your hair however you like. And then I'm just going to feel with my fingers all the way down to the ear tabs. Now once I've sectioned that hair off, just going to pin it. And we're going to do the same to the other side. Use your fingers to feel all the way down to the ear tab. And clip that away. Now we're going to work on the back. With my comb, I'm just going to comb the hair back, directing it back. Now with my fingers, I'm just going to separate the crown section. Once I have sectioned it off, I'm going to do one twist and then a little bit of a pull up. And then we're going to go ahead and pin that down. I'm going to use my fingers and pinch hair and pull it up. This way I could create a little bit more texture and some volume. There we go. I'm going to use the setting spray to lock that in place. Now we're going to grab a little section right underneath that crown. Comb it through so it's nice and smooth. I'm going to make it flat, and then we're going to twist up and over. Now I want this to go right over these pins that we have to hide those. So go ahead and pin that down from the inside. Then I'm going to use these U-shaped pins, and I'm just going to move the hair up. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and spray that down. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side now. Again, we're going to flip up and over, and we're just going to layer this right underneath. I'm going to spread it out a little bit, pinch and pull, and again with these, I'm just going to manipulate the hair to go up. To create a nice flow. Spray that in place. Now we're going to grab a section right underneath this work that we just did. Now with the rubber elastic, with that section of hair that we have, I'm going to create a pony. But I'm not going to bring through the ends. I'm going to leave those tucked in. That way it creates sort of a little loop of hair like this. Once I have it here, I'm going to spread it out with my fingers. I'm going to push it up from inside and then pin that in place. Now I'm just going to manipulate the hair and then spray that down. Now we're going to grab the rest of the hair. I'm just going to comb through the side here, making sure it is nice and smooth. And we're going to do the same thing, create a pony, but keep the ends inside. Little loop. Spread the hair out. And pin that from inside. Now I'm just going to pull some of the hair and give a little bit more volume and texture. We're going to have this come up a little bit. So I want these sides to close so it looks kind of a messy bun. So I'm just going to use my pin and grab hair from the top and from the bottom and then drive it in. Hook hair from the bottom and from the top and then pinch it inside. There we go. Now we're just gonna spray that down so it doesn't go anywhere. Sits the hair in. Now let down the fringe. And now I'm just gonna let the very front go down. Like the bang. And then a little bit of hair to frame the face. Give it a little soft, romantic look. Now this hair, I'm going to smooth it. Give it a little spray. And I'm going to drape it right underneath this section right here. Right under there and right on top of the bun that we just created. And then I'm going to pin that. There we go. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. You got the fringe and a little bit of hair to frame the face. Smooth this out. I'm going to give it a little spray, that way it gets a little structure. I'm going to drape it right over that bun. Now I'm going to pin that hair. Hide it with the layer that's on top. There we go. See that I spray down. All we have to do for the fringe is comb it through. Give it a spray. I'm gonna spray that down too. So we're gonna take out these U-shaped pens. They were just to give the hair structure and the movement that you wanted, but now that we sprayed it, it sets the hair in there, so we don't need them anymore. Now we have an accessory. Here we go. Here's Hayden.